In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add area charts in Canva. Area charts are a great way to show how values change over time or across categories. Because the area beneath the line is filled, trends become more visible and comparisons feel intuitive at a glance. Think of them as line charts with extra emphasis, perfect for highlighting growth, seasonal patterns, or how parts contribute to a whole over a period. Start by opening the Canva project where you want the chart to appear. On the left-hand sidebar, click Elements. This is the hub for shapes, graphics, and, most importantly for this tutorial, charts. Under the Browse Categories section, select Charts. You'll see a gallery of options. Look for the section labeled Area Charts, which includes simple fills, layered styles, and more expressive variations. Click See All to open the full collection so you can compare and choose the look that suits your design. Click an area chart you like once, and Canva will place it on your canvas. From here, you can drag to position it and use the corner handles to resize it so it fits your layout and maintains a clean visual hierarchy with your other elements. Next, click the chart on your canvas to select it. When you do, the Options and the Data panel open on the left. This panel is where you control what the chart shows and how it looks. You'll see example labels and numbers. Replace them with your own by clicking into the cells and typing your categories and values. Keep your categories consistent and, for time-based data, enter them in chronological order so the shape of the chart reads correctly. As you edit, the chart updates in real time, letting you confirm that the trend and proportions make sense. In the same panel, you'll find styling controls to refine the presentation. Adjust fill-in line colors to match your brand or document colors, and tweak labels and titles to keep everything readable. If the chart starts to feel busy, simplify category names or reduce the number of series so the most important story stands out. If you try a style and decide you want a different area chart look, select another area chart from the gallery. Your data will carry over, saving time. That's all you need. Open your project, go to Elements, choose Charts, open Area Charts, click See All, pick a style, and then click the chart to access the Options and Data panel. With those steps, you've successfully added an area chart in Canva and set it up to communicate your data clearly.